Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make money teaching online. So with the internet age now, it is a lot easier to show people how to do things and actually teach somebody to do something without even having a teaching degree or anything like that, because anyone these days can teach. As long as you know something that somebody else don't, then you can teach it. All right, so you can make money this way. It is a great way to make money, and you can make a lot of money with this if you do it right. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you some platforms where you can teach on and how you're going to go about doing stuff like that. And then I'm going to show you another way, a way that I've been using to teach other people how to make money online. And hopefully you'll like one of these methods and start teaching other people, okay? So if you're new to my channel, please give me a subscribe so that you can learn more about how to make money online and learn about affiliate marketing. That's how I make money online. And hit that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out. And if you find this video valuable today, please give me a thumbs up and give me that like, alright? It really helps my channel out and this video, alright? So let's see, let's get to the first platform, okay? The first platform that you can start teaching people things is on this website. It's called Udemy. And what this is a platform that sells online courses. So what's great about online courses is that you do the work one time. So you build the course, you create the course, and then you can sell it over and over and over again. So this is called creating a passive income stream, and it's totally doable if you want to create your own course, okay? Now, how you will go about doing this is that you will use basically some kind of recording equipment, all right? Usually people do either PDFs or some type of video so that they can actually show them what to do, something. And there's many categories, guys. There's like, I'm just gonna move myself to the side here. There's so many topics you can create courses for. Anything that you can think of, really. You see all these categories, and then it just keeps going down, drilling down to so many subcategories. So you can really drill down and see what topic you want to teach other people about, and go for it. There are so many students on here learning, and this particular platform is excellent for this because this is already a marketplace. So it's going to be doing some of the promotions for you. So this is why these courses could make you big money. I mean, just take a look at these in the front here, okay? These courses cost $12.99, it says, and look at the ratings here. You're being rated, but remember that the percentage of people actually rating a course or rating a product after they buy it is a very small percentage compared to all the people that actually bought it. That's true with whatever online reviews that you see. So that means if 6,000 people bought this course, it means that a lot more bought it. So it could be even, I would say, maybe less than 10% would actually come and rate it. Like, it's really low percentage. I had read one time about Amazon reviews on those products on Amazon. Very small percentage actually go on there and rate programs and rate the products. So same with here. I bet you it cannot be over 10% people rating. So can you imagine that 6,000 people have rated this one? That means there's a lot more people buying. So $12.99 times that. I mean, come on, guys. It's a lot of money, right? So the potential is there for this type of work. If you want to teach other people, this is a great way to start. Now, how are these? Let's just go into one of these courses so you can see what they look like. So you can see here, you're going to put down what people will be learning, and then what is required for them, and then a description of what people will be learning. So Wow, he's got a lot of testimonies on here. And here, finally, I see it outlined. So you can see that this person is very organized, obviously, and you can see how many things that you can learn in the course. And it says who the course is for. Okay, so this is how the course is being delivered. Okay, there's 4 hours of on-demand video and 11 downloadable resources, and you could access it always once you buy it. So, I mean, 4 hours of on-demand videos. It just depends on what it is. So, it's really not that hard to record videos. I actually have a hard time keeping my videos down actually to lower time, but it's actually really easy to record 4 hours of on-demand videos. And of course, it's not going to be one video that's 4 hours. It's going to be it could be a series of steps that you're showing with only like maybe 15 minutes per video, and you just kind of have a series of them. It's actually better to have a series of videos so that people can consume your information kind of in chunks, and they can go kind of step by step that way. So it's a very, very easy way to teach somebody something using this kind of system. In fact, if we go back to the top here, the home page, and write how to make an online course, you can learn right here to find out how to actually make one of these courses. Okay, and look at all the people buying these. Like this one is very popular, 4.5 rated, and it's got over 1,400. Okay, you see it is 10%. Look at this, there's 14,000 people enrolled already since not since November, but I don't know how long this course has been up for, but that's a lot of people, guys. You see, 14,500 times $13, mind-boggling money, right? It could be potentially a lot of money, guys. And this one has 8 hours of video to teach you how you can create your own course as well. So I really like Udemy because they have a lot of resources to help you know how to get this done. And through all these categories here, you can look at so many examples of how people have been doing as well. The next platform I want to show you is called Skillshare. So this is also similar to Udemy, where there is already a marketplace that will already help promote your courses. And so I really like this one as well. This platform is going to be a little bit more elaborate than Udemy because you're going to get to learn how to do collaborations and do other things with your courses, and you can kind of help each other grow. You can meet other online creators, online course creators. Again, there's tons of different categories you can check out here on the types of courses you can make. You have gaming, baking, cooking, crafts. There's just like so many. Basically, any topic that you feel that you can teach somebody who doesn't have your knowledge can just learn from your course. It is really that simple, guys. Okay. And the third platform I was going to show you is called Teachable. Now, Teachable is going to be more of a comprehensive course. It has kind of like you can create really big courses where you can have a syllabus, and you can have testing, you can have forms for students to fill out, and different types of resources for them to learn from. And you can really customize your course with Teachable to look a certain way, to have it branded the way you want it. So this is also a very good option for you. But I believe this platform will be a little bit more expensive than the other two that I showed you because you have more things that you can do with your courses for this platform. So for a beginner, I think I would start with Udemy personally, but you can check out all three platforms. I'm going to have all the links in the video description below, so don't worry about it. I'm going to have the exact links for you. And so there's one more thing I wanted to show you, which is if you don't want to create your own online courses, there's another way you can teach, which is how I've been doing it, which is creating a blog. So like my blog here, I teach people how to make money online, and how I make money with this is I use affiliate marketing, which is I earn commissions when I recommend other people's products. So this creates a passive income for me as well, because I do the work when I want it, which is just writing content. So when I make money from this website, it could be anytime. It could be while I'm working, while I'm sleeping, while I'm playing. It doesn't matter. So I love passive income like that. And this is the business that I have found the best way to make money online, and to make a lot of money online, that is. Okay. And where I learned this, how to do this, is at Wealthy Affiliate here. This platform taught me exactly how to do this. And in order to get to this screen, guys, with my little picture on it, you have to go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Okay, why you want to see my little face on this page is because if you sign up under me, I'm going to also be your mentor on the platform. I'm going to be your coach. I'm going to guide you through the training. If you have any questions, I am actually a super affiliate for this platform, so I know what I'm doing. I've been with them for over 2.5 years. I've met the owners because I won a trip to Vegas to meet them because I'm a super affiliate. So you do want to make sure you sign up under me so I can be your guide and help you build your business. So what Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you is how to build a blog like mine, and how to teach other people the things that you know in the topic that you like, okay? And all you're doing is creating these awesome content that people can learn from. And while you're doing that, you can place affiliate products in that content. And when your readers read it and click on it and they go to the site that you've recommended to go buy that product, then you make a commission. Now, why you want to blog is that this is also a kind of like a promotion machine that you're building, your blog, that is, because the way Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to build this blog, it will generate its own visitors, okay? This is a very powerful training that you're going to get. If you sign up on this platform, they're going to teach you exactly how you could teach people how to do things in the topic that you love, and then also make money by just recommending things to other people. So let's say you're teaching somebody how to cook, all right? How to cook. You love cooking. This is what you love to do. So you could talk about recipes. You could talk about things that you use. So while you're cooking or while you're explaining things to your audience, and you're talking about the things that you use to cook with, so like your supplies and the equipment that you use, the tools that you use, all those, you can recommend those products and earn money when people go and buy those products from your website once they click your affiliate link, okay? And that whole process is taught here at Wealthy Affiliate, and it is step by step. It is literally a blueprint that you just go from one lesson to another lesson, and you just learn how to build your blog that way. And I make a full-time income doing this. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I love it. And I teach people every day how to make money online. This is what I love to do. So if you love something and you want to teach it to other people, it is the best way, I feel, to make money online is because you are going to build an online asset for yourself that will 24 hours get you visitors on its own if you build it the way Wealthy Affiliate teaching you. And so this is very powerful training, guys. All right. So that's it from me. That is how you can make money teaching online. And I have been doing this since 2016, and it's been working for me. I know it can work for you too. And with my guidance, I don't know how you can not work for you. So go ahead and sign up with workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. And I hope I will see you on the platform, and I hope I can guide you in your new online journey. So if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please give me a subscribe so you can learn more about how to do this, how to use affiliate marketing, how to build a passive income. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Until then, I hope I see you on the platform at Wealthy Affiliate, and enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.